think I will use today this Shiseido cream eyeshadow to begin with, this camel kind of colored one. And just go in with this one. As you can see, I went back to a kind of blunt, not exactly blunt, but kind of eyelash skimming fringe. Just because I think I like it. And it hides a bit, you know. I will do this one just as a little base all over here. Unique powder that I don't really like for my face much because it has a little bit too much color to it, you know. You can see that it's a little bit too pink. Yeah. So I think I'd rather use it, and this bang is like a little bit in the way now then. But I want to have it like this, so, well, there's nothing to do about that then. Okay, so I took this flamboyant from MAC, and I think I will go with this one in the crease. Or maybe those two together, because, yeah, why not mix those two? I'm using the same brush, because I think it's okay. And on my little cut in the... that was so silly. I mean, it's kind of hard for me to cut my hair, you know, when it's blonde and I have light skin and everything is like the same color. So next time, for sure, I'm gonna use, you know, something dark under and then cut it so I will actually see my hair, because that was a little bit scary to cut your eyelid a bit. I mean, I snipped it a bit, I didn't cut it. I took the wrong ones. I took darker one on this side. Great. So now instead of taking those two, I took these two on this side. Let's go with those two on the other side then. Because, you know, now it got darker already. Like, ah, oh, great, just great. It's the same when I'm driving. And, you know, I just don't know the directions. Where is north, where is this, where is that, at all. It's like not in me, those things. It seems like it's the same with this palette. Serious stuff. I'm taking the lighter one again here, the peachy one. Meaning this one is quite peachy. Actually, it does have quite a lot of color. You can see it here when I put it here, like that. So it's not as, you know, meh as it looks in the pen. It looks like it doesn't have a lot of color. It actually does have quite a lot. Now, since there's not a lighter one, I will again take this Josebiton that I have here on the side all the time, the really light one. It's a big difference to the one in here, like that. And the other one that's light here has also shimmer, so I don't want to use that one, like, you know, to clean around here, like I usually do. Like a little clean around thing. To say the truth about all eyeshadows, it's so easy to make an easy look, like a really fast look. I suppose most people do that. Of course, they don't sit and do 50 million eyeshadows on their eyes every day. Neither do I. I mean, come on. Even though it's fun. Okay, so definitely time for, I think, for this one here, and then this one. With sheen and shimmer, you know. I suppose this one is a little bit like, I don't know if it's like cranberry, but I have something, I think that it's more pink, that it's like cranberry, and this one I think has a little bit more orange in it. Let's see. But I will start with the lighter one that looks like this. Lighter one or just different color? It's more of a bronze. So I will start with this one here. Ooh, they pigmented those. Now, of course, for the inner corner, I will take this light one here. Really pretty gold. Like that. And pull it in maybe a bit inside this other one here. I think I will take this one a little tiny bit up here too. Just on the tip of the brush, like that. So this one is the one from Boerstein. And that one from here, you know, this one. In the pen, I think they look pretty much the same. But when you swatch them, not so much. This one is the one from Boa Stein and this one is the MAC one. So there's a huge difference. This one is much more orange. I think I will take this one then. Yeah, it's a really pretty color. Kind of bronzy, where is it there? Bronzy reddish pink or something, or orange maybe. Maybe more orange I would say. I have to lift up all this here now then. And pull it up or push it in here, like that. Summer, summer. So here we have summer already. Hot. It's hot. Air conditioner is on. And yeah, I can barely take it. It is hot already when you go out. It's like I just hang the laundry. I'm like, that's enough time for me outside. 5 minutes. That's a pretty color. Really pretty color. Here we put it up a bit more since it's more hooded. I'm taking so much color on the brush. It's like falling all over the place. And that's my fault now then. Really, they're not that prone to falling or to have, you know, eyeshadow falling over your face because they're pretty dense and smooth. Especially the metallic ones, like really, I would say so. That's pretty, and now it's down here already, so I'm probably going to put it down there too. Why not? I would do it straightly, and that's it. So straightly under here, in the middle. Oh, that really makes the blue pop. The red, of course, red-orange. But I'm taking this smaller brush. And I think I will go in with this one, really, really pretty burnt kind of orange. In here. Ah, there's glitter on this one. Shimmer. I forgot about that. Okay, never mind. I forgot about that. So I forgot I had shimmer on this one when I took the orange, burnt orange color. This one, because that one is definitely matte. But I will do it again and put over some more and hope it's enough to cover that a little bit. Shimmer. I will take it all the way around here. Well, I'm messy when I'm doing my makeup. It's a little bit disturbing, I think, for people that not like me. Yeah. For people that cleaning up. I'm the same in the kitchen. I'm the same whatever I do. I have work to do. I'm doing the work, I'm finishing the work, and then I clean. I don't go there cleaning unless it's something that makes me not have space, or sometimes happens to me in the kitchen. Other than that, I don't clean in the middle. I just finish everything and then I clean. I just feel it's a waste of time. The same with the face. Finish the work and then clean. But I know it looks kind of disgusting, huh? It looks a bit maybe overwhelming for somebody who is, you know, the opposite of me and cleaning with a wipe all the time. So my apologies if we're not the same. We probably aren't the same. Well, a little bit of a blend. I will clean up. Now I will clean up, and maybe I need a brown eyeliner at least. Maybe the Dip Down from MAC will do. Okay, so I did use the Dip Down gel liner from MAC, just a tiny bit, also to darken the lashes, a little bit on the lashes themselves because the root is very blonde, but nothing, you know, big. And then I used this brown Smashbox Java, I think it is. Yeah, it's Java, just a tiny bit also here, you know, to tightline with, just a tiny bit. And then this one from Essence in this beige color, just to tightline, or in the waterline. Getting confused with all these lines. I'm not sure if I should use something darker here because of this. Should I? I mean, I could go in with these two as well. Maybe I should do that, just a bit. Just because it's fun. You know, it's not like you need to. I mean, you don't need to do any of this. Just because it's fun, I do it. These two together. I need more of the red one. The red one is pretty. This one. This color here. And a little bit under the eye. I will just take the red one maybe. Kind of push it in and down like that. Especially in the dip over here again. And now it covers everything else, so I have to add some of that too. Otherwise it's no fun. With whatever is on this one. What was on it? Well, never mind. I will just go around here. It can't be anything dark because I didn't use this one for the dark one. So, and there's no shimmer one on it anymore either. So I might go back in with this one and you know, the reddish color. This one here, that one. Instead of lifting it up all the time, you know, just a little bit to blend in on that one. I feel like this brush doesn't pick it up so well. It's like I have everything on. It picks it up, but it doesn't put it on my eyelid. You know? I want to try with a real bristle brush, because this one is synthetic. I want to see if there's a difference. So this one is from MaritMakeupManicure, and this one is from Ashley Waxman. She's an Israeli YouTuber and pretty famous here. And she's originally though from Canada. So she had these brushes made, and I think they're really good, but sometimes the real bristles tend to work better, and they also a little bit softer. I don't know why. Or less stiff? I don't know. Less stiff maybe. Yeah, definitely something like that. So there you go. So sometimes it's like this, and sometimes these are okay, you know. Yeah, I'll be back for something nice on the skin. So I just used now the Smashbox oil primer and this one, and I never really liked the scent of it, so I didn't use it a lot. So I decided today to add some chamomile essential oil, Roman chamomile, and some patchouli, because those are two of my favorite ones, and they're also good for the skin, you know. That's a bonus for me. The scent is like, it's so uplifting. It's unbelievable. It's just so nice. So other than that, this one is okay, you know, oil. The rest that I have on my hands, I just, you know, put in my hair because it needs some oil. Now under my eyes, I'm using this La Roche-Posay Toleriane Ultra, a really thin moisturizer and really good for anyone, I think. So I forgot the microphone, but what I did was, I think, the MAC Violet FX on my cheeks, and on top of that I used the MAC Neon Pink from here. So I used the Violet FX from MAC in this version, and this one is the gold, or the, I think it's that one. This one. So it's very nice. But this on top now, it's already with the powder, so it got a little bit stronger maybe, but not a big difference. Okay, so now I thought to try this, I don't know if it goes with this look. I will just do it. It's Inner Glow Cheek Powder, they call it, from Shiseido. It's in the newer packaging, and it's very, very thin and sleek. It's almost, you know, almost scared to touch it because it's so thin that with my big hands, it's like, I have to be really careful when I open this thing. They made it a little bit too sleek for me, but you know, the color is super pretty, and I think it will go really nicely with this eye look. So I will try. Maybe I should powder a little bit more because I think it might get stuck everywhere. Now, back to this one. I think maybe I will use this brush that I use for the highlighter actually, because, you know, I will try with this one. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it's acting different to all their other blushes. That it's softer, you know, it's easier to get it off from the pan. Okay, I will go in this a bit here so I won't get it too low down. Where did I get until I needed to go and empty the card? Oh, the blush. Okay, so the blush that I used here, kind of a bronzy red, really going with the eye look, I think, is this one in Berry Dawn number 8 from Shiseido. And they changed, since they changed the packaging, they come in really sleek packaging like this. It's very tiny though, it's just 4 grams. It's like an eyeshadow from MAC, I think. No, not from MAC, from Il Maquillage. Something like that. So not very big, not very big at all, but really pretty color. So the color looks like that. Spice from MAC. It will probably go really well with this. I should take a smaller mirror here. Okay, so outer corners, I use this Smarty Pants in this color. It's a matte one from MAC. So that's that. And then in the middle I will use Mocha, also from MAC. It's almost the same, just satin and lighter. So that's the Smarticle and that's the Mocha. So Mocha is pretty much lighter and satin. I suppose I could have left the lips a bit more neutral, maybe. Pinky neutral, since I have a lot of pink going here. But of course what you also can do is, where did I put it? I would just take some of this and use it on the lips. You know, this kind of, doesn't actually have a lot of pink in it. So I think the cheek color became splotchy. And then I made it a bit too strong to try and fix it the wrong way. So that's what happened. But you know, there it is. Pretty strong. I know, another warm look. And there's gonna be more to come probably because summer. Ooh, I have a coffee. Oh, that is one good coffee. I do start to feel I'm hungry though. Well, probably not gonna be so hungry after this coffee for a while. Thanks again for watching. Use all your colors and enjoy them. And yeah.